Hello and welcome to our tutorial video. In this video, we will learn how to create a table in Excel. As you can see, the Excel file is open. First, we will start by selecting the borders. For sample table, we need a table with a table with 4 columns and 8 rows. Select this border portion. Click here. Select 4 columns and 8 rows. Now merge the first row, and I'm going to give the title here personal expenses. Now for the subtitle, I'm putting here in the first column the serial number. In the second column, expense category. In the third column, type of expense. And in the last column, amount in dollars. Now my first serial number in the is for the expense category will be house. Type of expense means you can say rent, and for rent I'm going to pay $1,000. Second, my expense category will be entertainment, and types of expense means movies, and for movies will cost me around $80. Third category will be transportation. Let's suppose my category types of expense will be the fuel, and it will cost me around, let's say, $100. Fourth one will be the food, and food I'm selecting groceries. It will Grocery will cost me around $200. And here I'm selecting the last category, expense category, are utilities. For utilities, I consider only the bills here now. For example, electricity bill, water bill, and let's say the amount for this is $200. Now in the last row, I'm merging the first 3 columns, and here I'm writing or typing type. And for the total number of expense, the total amount, I select them all and I click here in AutoSum. So my total expense for the month is $1,530. And now for highlighting this, I'm using this option for highlighting. I click here, and for the title I'm selecting yellow color, and for subtitles I'm going to select any random color, and for rest I'm selecting any light color here. And even for this is not type, by the way, this is total. And for total I'm going to select any other random color, and this will be pink. Now if you want to make the bold, click on the bold, and if you make the borders bold, go to the borders and select this thick outside borders. So this way you will get the thick outside borders. This one you can also make the thick outside border, even the each column. And there you have it, a simple way to create a table in Excel. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.